Hi, I'm John Burns, Recreation Superintendent for Sioux City Parks and Recreation. I am so excited to share with you one of the most unique features, not just in Northwest Iowa, but the entire Midwest region. The City of Sioux City is currently constructing a mountain bike park that includes over 10 miles of soft surface trails, a paved pump track, and skill features designed for beginners to advanced riders. In December of 2017, Cone Park opened its doors for the park's inaugural winter season. The park featured a massive 1,000-foot-long tubing hill, an outdoor ice rink, a warming shelter, and everyone's favorite feature, a lift to take you back to the top of the hill to experience run after exciting run. We are so excited to build on the incredible success of our winter operation by adding a brand new mountain bike park. The Cone Park Lodge features the perfect trailhead, supporting over 10 miles of scenic trails, thrilling jumps, and exciting skill features. Right next to the lodge and within view of Interstate 29 is the incredible paved pump track, providing thrills to even the most advanced mountain bike riders. This impressive element allows riders to enjoy a fun, flowing experience as they navigate bumps, turns, and park features. Bring your own bike or rent one on site. To make this incredible park accessible to everyone, bike rentals will be available on location with options ranging from full suspension bikes to electric bikes. Every rider will be able to find the perfect bike for them. In addition to the world-class mountain bike trails, the park offers many great amenities for the entire family. Try our thrilling 600-foot-long summer tubing. Grab lunch and cool off in the lodge, enjoy a beer by the fire pit, or use our 500-foot carpet lift to avoid that uphill riding. There are endless features to explore. Cone Park offers trails built for every skill level so the entire family can enjoy the thrill of mountain biking. Mountain biking places an equal emphasis on fun, fitness, and flow, and our park is designed with you in mind. Advanced riders can explore miles of trails littered with rock elements, pre-engineered bridges, boardwalks, wall rides, and so much more. Beginning riders can also find miles and miles of trails as they explore, play, and gain confidence to take on more challenging terrain. Don't miss out. This incredible project will be complete in the summer of 2024. Ready to give it a try? Check us out at coneparksiouxcity.com.